Alright, check this out. What I have today is something called Nitinol Wire. It's just a normal piece of metal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start bending it. And we're just going to make any kind of shape with it, however we need. And what we're going to do is we're going to toss it into this water. The water is pretty warm. It should work. We're sitting at about 57 degrees Celsius, which should be fine for this. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it into the water. And we're going to see it straighten out because of the heat being absorbed into the system. So before the water runs out of heat, let's just toss it in. All right, and that was immediate. The wire wanted to become completely straight, so I'll give it a few seconds to cool off, and then I'll start bending it again to a different shape. And it reacts fast. From what I did some reading on this, it has something to do when the heat is applied to it. There's a sort of a crystal structure in it that when the heat is applied, it retains its original shape. All right, so let's make it really bent. So I'm just going to start crumbling it down. I'm going to try not to break the wire because I don't know how durable or brittle it is, but I'd say that's pretty good bent. Let's drop it in and see what happens. Just going to push it into the fire a little bit more. I may have tied a knot in it, so let me undo that. Yeah, I definitely tied a knot in the wiring. And that could cause some issues. But there we go. We'll put it in there. Also notice it's going a lot slower, and one of the reasons is because I think the water is losing a lot of its heat. So let's give it a chance just to expand. All right, drop it in over here. Yeah, it definitely has to do with the loss of heat from the water. Yeah, we're slowly losing temperature. So that could be an explanation of why it is tending to not straighten out. But we'll put it in, we'll try mixing it around, maybe we can get a little bit more. You saw it the first couple times, you can still see the reaction a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I got this on Amazon, I'll post a link down in the description. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Thanks for watching.